Hello, this is Yarrow Stanchek, and what I'm going to demonstrate today are two experiments. The first experiment is utilizing the standard build that I've been playing with now pretty much for the past 4 or 5, 6 months. 6-pole, 3-coiler, coils are wound with Bifllar wire, and in this instance what we have is that in the Bifllar wires we've disconnected one set of wiring here, and I wanted to see how this thing would run with one wire. And you can see this green wire right here. I've disconnected. Each coil now is only running that orange wire through them, so we're running the whole thing in series, but it's only one wire. And I wanted to demonstrate this to show the audience and the viewers what happens here when we go through two modes. This is the first mode, single wire mode in series. We're going to do it through 4 loads actually, 0 load, approximately 500 grams, 1,000 grams, and 1,500 grams. So let's take it from here. See if hopefully it'll start now. It needs to be prodded a bit. Okay, it accelerates nicely. It's a very comfortable arrangement tune that I have for it. Not pushing it by any stretch of the imagination. It's just easy to work with, and everything is fairly predictable. So, if you notice on your right, we have on the power supply, we see that we have basically 24.04 volts at 0.42 amps. And the speed in this instance is should be around 2,900 plus. $29.05. All right. So now let's do the next step. Let's put some load on it, approximately 500 grams. You know, it slows down immediately, and that the amperage jumps up. We have to tweak the voltage here. Keep it relatively close to 24. It can be a bit touchy here and there. So we have 0.74 amps, and the speed here is about 2572. And let me just check to see what the load here is. We're about 460, 470. We'll call it 450 grams. As things warm up, the loadings change a little bit here and there. Nature of the beast. So, we have this locked in pretty well. 0.079, 0.78 for the amperage. Let's jack this up to close to 1,000. Okay. So we have 24.0607 volts, 1.29, let's call it 1.29 amps. And the speed here at this point 2069, and we have approximately, well, I won't say approximately, it's about 1,020, 1,010 grams. Okay. Yeah, everything is hanging in pretty well. I guess 1.3 is the amperage at this point. Let's give it the acid test here and put it on approximately 1,500 grams. Well, we've certainly loaded this puppy a bit, and it's stabilizing here at, well, at 44.02 volts, 1.77, 1.76 amperage, and we look at the load as being call it 1,500 grams even. Now, let's take a look at what the RPM is. Oh, we've bogged this puppy down pretty well, down to 1636 in terms of its RPM. So, this is the first demonstration. We're going to go next to experiment 2, which will be attaching the wires back into the system and running it in a what I call a parallel series mode to see what the difference is, just changing the wiring. That's it for now.